It's taco night. I make guacamole. Taco night. Guacamole. Whether it's for tacos or nachos, or Cajun chicken, or dips, I really hope you don't buy guacamole from the supermarket. But if you do, I'm here to help you out. I think guacamole is one of my favorite dips. Second to hummus, of course. Everything's second to hummus. Thanks for tuning in. My name's Olivia, and in this quick video I'm going to share a very basic guacamole recipe as well as how to turn it up a notch using some extra ingredients, sticking to authentic guidelines. You can find the full recipe down below in the description, and while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Quick safety tip, you want to make sure that the avocado is on the chopping board while you're swinging the knife. You don't want any accidents here. I dice up the avocado while it's still in the shell and then scoop it out using a fork or a spoon, and that's basically half the mashing process done. If you're enjoying watching this, give the video a thumbs up, and to support me you can subscribe to my channel for more videos. I upload weekly, twice a week, and another way to stay up to date is by following me on Instagram. Thanks for tuning in and watching this. I really appreciate the support, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me down below in the comments or on Instagram, and I'll see you soon.